back to Pendragon's Twisted Metals. Tonight we are going to be continuing on the plug earrings, the spike earrings here. I've got the two tubes, I guess, which we need to clean up and then start to solder. Well, these are already soldered, but we need to solder these pieces to make a spike. So I need to clean these up, get the seam out of there. And you can see the seam. Can you? Well, you can't. I can. I can definitely see the seam. So I need to clean this up, get the seam out of there, file this down so that it's nice and flat, get it shaped right so that it's a nice cylinder shape and not bowed out anywhere, and of course then to soldering. So let's get started. Quick meal before we keep going. Mealtime. Alright, so now that I have a little Sauron hat, kind of looks like it, we are going to be cleaning off all these edges up here, bringing them all together, and then soldering these. So, oh, and also the other ring, the other earring. So this was very difficult. I'm not sure. We'll figure out what we're putting in this episode. Alright, well, I think we're gonna be saving that for next week, where we're going to actually clean this up and bend these toward each other to make the spike, along with doing the other peg, and just putting its 5 spokes on. So I hope that you all enjoyed this episode. I did cut out a lot of filing from it, because every single one of these, when I soldered it, I had to then re-clean the area that the next area that I'm going to be soldering. So it took me a little bit just to get this done, but I cut out a lot for this episode. So I hope that you all enjoyed this episode. If you did, hit that like button, and if you really enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button and the bell so that you can get notified whenever I put out a video. I try doing about 2 videos a week, 1 live video, which is on Thursday, and of course these types of videos, which is just on doing jewelry pieces every Sunday. So with that, I hope that you all have a wonderful evening. Are you sick of those big box jewelry stores pumping out cast and poured copies of the same exact piece? And the only purpose seems to be cramming as many diamonds onto them as humanly possible? I am too. That's why at Pendragon's Twisted Metals, I sit down with you and design a unique, handcrafted piece. And best of all, you tell me what you want, and I make it a reality. You can schedule an appointment with me through text, call, or on my website. All info is down in the description. And if you want to browse my pre-made inventory, just click on the website link.